Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to solve IGCSE Mathematics 0580 Paper 1 Variant 1 of May-June 2025. So it is paper 1 quest, paper 1. So it is non-calculator paper. So we will not allowed to use calculator. Let's start it. Question number 1 is write 10069 in words. So we have to write the place value. This is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is 10,069. So write 10,069. You can omit and you can also write 10,069. So answer is 10,069 or 10,069. That's it. Write 10069 correct to nearest 10. So nearest 10 means you have to round off the unit digit. Unit digit is 9, which is greater than 5. So when you drop 9, the next digit will be raised by 1. So 6 will become 7. So this will become 10070. So answer is 10070. Next is convert 10069 centimeter into meters. We know that in 1 meters there are 100 centimeters. So in order to convert centimeter into meter, we are going from the smaller unit to bigger unit. So we will divide this by 100. When we divide something by 100, then you put the decimal point after the 2 digits. So this will become 100.69. So 100.69 meter is the answer. So next question number 2 is a bag of sweets cost $0.34. One bag cost $0.34. Arun buys 10 bags. So what will be the cost of 10 bags? 10 bags cost will be 10 into 0.34. That will give you 3.4. Because when you multiply with 10, the decimal point is moved one digit towards the right side. So it becomes $3.4. So if he gives the $5 note, how much change he will receive? So we will subtract 3.4 minus 5. So in order to subtract 3.4 from 5, we write 5.00 minus 3.4. We will take a borrow from this number. This will become 4 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So it becomes 60 or 6. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is $1.60. That's it. Next question is two numbers have a sum of -2 and product of -15. Question is two numbers have a sum of -2 and product of -15. Work out two numbers. There are two methods. One is we made two equations. Let two numbers be x and y. Then their sum is x plus y is equal to -2 and their product is x into y is -15. We solve these. So in order to solve this equation, we makes x the subject of formula in this equation, and this will become x equal to -2, y will be shifted here, it will become -y, so x will become -2 minus y. We can put this value in this equation x, so instead of x we put -2 minus y, and this y will be as it is here, and -15. So we simplify it. Y will become multiply with -2 will become -2y. When y will multiply with y, it will become minus y square. So we get -2y minus y square is equal to -15. Or you can write it y square. If you change all the signs, we get 2y square plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0, because these two should be shifted to this side, and this becomes 0. Also become y square plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. We have to think of two numbers which give you 15 on multiplication and 2 on subtraction. They are 5 and 3, because 5 minus 3 is 2 and 5 3 is 15. So we write y square minus plus 5y minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. When we take y common from these two first pair of numbers, so this will become from here we can take 5 y common becomes y into y plus 5. When we take -3 common from -3 minus 15, we can get -3 into y plus 5. So this will become y plus 5 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. So if we put y plus 5 is equal to 0, we get y is equal to -5. If we put y minus 3 is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 3. Both are correct answer. If we take y equal to minus 5, then x will become, we put here, x will become minus 2 minus y is minus 5, so minus 2 minus 5 minus plus will become minus 2 plus 5, minus 2 plus 5 is 3, so two numbers are 3 and minus 5. As you can straight away write by the second method that we have to sub two numbers. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, so, and minus 5 into minus and 3 is minus 15. So therefore the numbers are minus 5 and 3. You can write it straight away. Okay, so that's the answer of the question. Next question is, the few numbers are given as 7, 27. These are numbers given here: 7, 27, 39, 49, 99 and 112. So from the list of the numbers, write down an even number. The easy question. The number with the unit digit as 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are even. So 112 has 2 as the even digit, so that means 112 is even, so 112 is the answer. Next is, we have to list a square number from this list, because 7 square is 49. We know that 7 square is 49, so we write 49 is the answer. Next is, write a factor of 56. We know that 56, 7 8s are 56 and 7 is there, so 7 is a factor of the 56 from this list. Next is a prime number. So 7 is again a prime number. 7 is the only prime number in this list, because 27 divided by 3 and 9, 39 divided by 3 and 11, 39, 49 divided by 7 and 99 divided by 3 and 9 and 11, 112 divided by 7 and 16, 7. So therefore only the prime number is 7, which is divisible by only 1 and 7. The number which has two factors is prime, so the prime number from this list is 7. So 7 is the answer. Next is, write down the reciprocal of 5. In very easy question, the reciprocal of any number is we write is 1 over. If it is x, the reciprocal of x is 1 over x. So reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 is the answer of this question. Okay, get it? Very easy. Next is, put one pair of brackets, each calculation make it correct. Okay, we have to know BOD math. BOD math means bracket open, division, multiplication and subtraction. Okay, so first of all we have to put a bracket, so that bracket is solved first. Okay, no, here if we make these from these numbers before 8 as equal to 8, then 8 plus 8 is 16. So 4 2s are 8. It means this should be there should be 2 here. So if we put a bracket here, then the subtraction will be solved first. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So if we put a bracket around 7 and minus 5, then it will become 16. So that's the answer. Next is, we have to put a bracket so that this calculation is equal to minus 21. If we put 7 minus something, so this number should be minus 28. So 7 minus 28 is minus 21. So if we put a bracket here, this will become 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. So this will be evaluated first. So we put a bracket here. The answer will be correct. That's it. Next is very easy questions. Question number 7 is, a ticket cost $18. One ticket cost $18. We have to write down an expression in dollars for the cost of T tickets. So if you have to find the total cost of the number of tickets, then multiply the number of tickets with the cost of one ticket. So number of tickets is 18 and the cost of one ticket is $18. So if we multiply 18 with T, we get the total cost. So the answer will be 18T. So that's it. Next is, a bag contains n red balls and 16 green balls. So total number of balls are red plus green. So write down expression for the total number of balls. So red plus green should be equal to, red is what? Red is n. So n plus green is 16. So total number of balls are n plus 16. So answer is n plus 16. That's it. Next is, write 90% as a fraction. Percent mean over 100. So 90% means 90 over 100. Now we have to simplify it. This 0 is cancelled with 0, so get 9 over 10. So 9 over 10 is the fraction in the simplest form. Next is we have to write 3 over 100 as decimals. It is very easy question. If we have some number divided by 100 and we have to convert it into decimal, we put the 0 after 2 digits. There is only one digit 3, so we have to put a 0 here, and then put a decimal point here, so answer will be 0.003. If you don't get this is very easy. You put 3 inside the bracket and then divide by 100, because 3 is less than 100, so we put a 0 and put 0 here. Then again 0, 30 is less than 100, we put a point here and put another 0, so this becomes 300. Then 100 multiplied by 3 is 300, so answer is 0.03. Next is a series or sequence is given, and we have write down the term to term rule. So very easy question. Term to term rule is -7 is being subtracted from each term. Like 33 minus 7 is 26. 26 minus 7 is 19. 19 minus 7 is 12. If you have to write next term, then 12 minus 7 will be equal to next term. Then whatever answer is, 12 minus 7 is 5. So 5 minus 7 is the next term, and so on. So rule is -7. Rule is 7 is subtracted or -7 is added. Okay. So rule here is 7 is subtracted. Okay. As you write, put 7 is subtracted, as you write -7 is added. Okay. So rule is here 7 is subtracted. Okay. This is not minus, this is just a dash here. So 7 is subtracted. Next is write on the next two terms. So I already told you, in our next term we subtract 7 minus 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Then here is 5. Then the next term after 5 will be 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 is -2. So the next two terms are 5 and -2. That's it. Next is there are the first 4 terms of a sequence. Find the nth term. Look here. Again, in this question, the 4 is being added. This is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 plus 31. 4 is 31. So 4 is being added. So first term is 19. If we have to find next term, we put 4 plus 19 plus 4. Whatever 19 plus 4 is, if you add another 4, you get the third term. If you add another 4, you get the fourth term, and so on. So look here. For second term, we add 1 4 to the 19. In order to get third term, we get 4. We add 4 2 times to the 19. So we write 19 plus 2 times 4. And to get the fourth term, this is 31, is 19 plus 4 is 23, 23 plus 4 is 27, 24 plus 7, so 27 plus 4 is 31. So it means in order to get fourth term, we add 4 3 times into 19. So fourth term is 19 plus 3 times 4. So if we have to write the nth term, you will have to add 4n minus 1 times into 19. So answer will be 19 plus n minus 1 into 4. We simplify it, multiplied 4 inside the bracket, so you get 19 plus 4 into n is 4n, minus 4 into 1 is 4. Now 19 minus 4 is 15. So final answer is 15 plus 4n. So expression for the general term is 15 plus 4n. If you put 1 here, then 15 plus 4 is 19 first term. If you put 2, 15 plus 2 4 is 8. 15 plus 8 is 23 second term. If you put 3, then 15 plus 4 3 is 12. So 15 plus 12 is 27 third term, and so on. So you can find any term by this formula. This is the formula for the general term of the given sequence. Next question is Kai cycles from office to meeting and back again. The travel graph shows his time at the meeting and his journey back. This from here, this was not given. This is the part 3. I draw it for you. So we have to tell yes first part is how long she stays at the office. Look here. It is very easy question. If you count the number of boxes from 10 to 11, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes for 1 hour. It means each box is for 10 minutes. Okay, so this is 10 10 hours 10 minutes. This is 10 hours 20 minutes. So the meeting starts at 10 hours 20 minutes and ends at the 1100. So 1100 minus 1020 gives you 40 minutes. So she stays at the office for at the meeting for 40 minutes. Also, how far is the meeting from his office? The distance from his office. Look here. The distance on the distance axis, on the y-axis distance is shown in meters, and kilometers. Sorry. So it is here. It is 14. And when she is in his office, that was, okay, this is 14 kilometer mark, and this is his office. So this total distance is 14 kilometer. So the answer for the second part, which asks first part, which asks for how far the meeting from the office, is 14 kilometer. So next is write down the time Kelly arrives back at his office after his meeting. So we have to read the graph carefully. This time she read office. This is 1200, and one box before 1200, one box is 10 minutes. So it is 1150. So answer is 1150. Next is Kai cycles from his office to the meeting at a constant speed of 21 km per hour. You know that speed is equal to distance over time. Complete the travel graph. I solved it here for you in order to show you the graph sidewise. Now distance over time, distance is 14 km and time, I don't know what our time is. So distance over time is equal to 20 speed. So distance over time is 21 km per hour. So if to find x, you have to find x. Then how to find x? You transfer x to here and 21 here. So x will be equal to 14 over 21. 14 over 21 can be simplified to 2 over 3. So this will give you the time. Time is the time, distance over time. Time is x. I don't know. So I put as x on the x-axis. So it means x is 2 over 3 hours. Hours we have to convert it into minutes. In order to make minutes, 1 hour is 60 minutes. To multiply by 60, you get 3, 20 to the 60, 20 to the 40. So x is 40 minutes. So from here, this is here. This was his meeting time, and this time is, I know that this is 10:40, and we have to put 40 minutes back. So 1 here, 10, 20, 30, 40. Man, this is his office. She started from this time. So I put a straight line, because it's constant speed, so put a straight line from this point to the end point when she is meeting. So this will be the graph of the this line will show his traveling from office to the meeting, and we have completed the travel graph. That's it. Next question is calculate the volume of a cube with side length of 3 centimeter. Volume of cube is side into side into side. Side is 3 centimeters, so 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So answer is 27 centimeter cube. So answer 27. Next is solve 5x plus 8 is equal to 3x minus 2. So in order to solve this, we make x the subject of formula. So the terms containing x on one side, 3x will be shifted to the left hand side, so get 5x minus 3x. 8 will be shifted to the right hand side, so this become minus 2 is already here, so this become minus 8 to minus 8. No, 5x minus 3x is 2x, and minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. So 2x is equal to minus 10. If you divide by 2, then this will become x, and this will become 2 divided by 10 divided by 2 is minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 is the answer, final answer of the question. Next is work out 5 minus 5 into minus 4. So minus minus is plus, and 5 4s are 20. So 20 is the answer. Next is plus 8 plus minus 3. Both have the same sign, so they will be added and with the same sign again. So 8 plus 3 is 11, and both are negative numbers, so we put negative here. So answer is negative 11 or minus 11. Next is find the value of p here. When you multiply the same bases, the powers are added here. Look here the power base is 3, so it will become 3 power p plus 4. So 3 power p plus 4 is equal to 3 power 10. It means bases are equal, the powers will be equal. So here the bases are same, so powers are same, so p plus 4 is equal to 10 aa jayega. It means if we shift 4 to the right hand side, become p is equal to 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4 is 6, so p is equal to 6 is the answer of the question. Next is 15. A cube is given, we have to find this, draw the net of it. One face has been drawn for you, one face was drawn here, this was 6 and 4, this the foremost, this face is 6 and 4, and now next face after this is this one is 3 into 6, so I put 3 here and then 6, so this is 3 into 6. Next face is this face is again 3 into 6. So next face is 4 into 6, this is 4 into 6, and now the side face, two side faces are, one is this one is 3 into 4, this is 3 into 4, this is also 3 into 4, so this is 3 into 4, and the top face is 6 into 4, so top face should be at the end. Top face is 3 into 6, so top face is also drawn 3 into 6, so we have drawn the net of the cuboid correctly. Next is simplify 6a plus 4b minus a minus 5b. So rearrange it, put the a's terms together. There is 6a minus a and 4b minus 5b. 6a minus a is 5a, 4b minus 5b is minus 4b, and this is minus 5b. 4b minus 5b is minus b, so answer is 5a minus b. So answer is 5a minus b. This should be 5 here. Okay. Next is factorize 6x plus 15y. 6. In order to factorize, we have to think of number which divide 3 and 15. We have to find the HCF of 3 and 15. HCF of 3 and 15 is, so 6 and 15 is 3, so divide by 3. 3 to the 6, so this 6x will become 2x, and 15 means 3 5 the 15 become 15y becomes 5y, so answer is 3 into 2x plus 5y. That's it. Next is x square y minus 5xy. Again, the HCF of x square y and xy are xy, because the highest power common present in both will be taken as x is present in both, y is also present in both, so xy is taken as common. When we take common, powers are subtracted. X square minus x power is x1, and y is cancelled, so you get x here. Then from here 5xy divided by xy is cancelled, xy, so 5 is remain here, so we get xy into x minus 5, so this is the answer. Next is by writing correct to one decimal significant figure, find the estimate. 42.8, if you round it off to the nearest 10, this will become 40. 17.4 rounded off to nearest 10 is 20, because 17 is more than 15. More than 15 will be rounded off to 20. Again, 1.97 can be rounded off to 2, and 5.79 can be rounded off to 6. So we get 40 plus 20 in the numerator and 2 into 6 in the denominator. 40 plus 20 is 60, 2 times 6 is 12, so 60 over 12 is 5. So 5 is the answer. Next is, sorry, the diagram shows two straight lines and two parallel lines. These two are intersecting lines and these two are parallel lines. Find the value of x. X is here. Look here. If we go from here and then this here and here and this is the, make a z here, then this x and this 50 are the alternate angles. Alternate are equal, so x will be equal to 50, and because they are the alternate angles. Similarly, y and 110 are corresponding angles because this is the transversal line cutting these two parallel lines, and this y and y10 are the corresponding angles. The corresponding angles are also equal, so y should be equal to 110. Next is we have to find the z. Now look in this triangle, this triangle is inside this. This is 110, so with a straight line means this angle is 70. To make it 180, the angle on a straight line is 180. So 180 minus 110 is 70. This is 70. Now this is a triangle with all three angles as z, 70 and 50. So the sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180. Sorry. So z plus 70 plus 50 should be equal to 180. From here we get the z as 70 plus 50 plus z is equal to 180. You write the angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180. You can write the reason here. So z is equal to 70 plus 50 is 120. That will become 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120 is 60. So 60 is the answer. That's it. Next question is question number 19 of the paper. A box contains 10 counters. There are total 10 counters. So the counters are either red or green. The ratio of the red and green counters are 1:4. So Shireen picks a counter at random, note its color and puts it back in the box. It means when she puts in back in the box, the total number of counters and that color counter will remain the same again. So because their ratio are 1:5, so you can directly write the red probability of red is 1/5 and the probability of green is 4/5. Or you can find it from by here. Okay. 2 and 4, 2 and 8. The red counters are 2 and the green counters are 8. So this will become, in the simplest form, the probability will become 1/5 and 4/5. Now the red, this is the first counter. After noting the color, she puts it back. So the total number of colors remain the same. If first is red, he puts it back. Then there are again one same number of counters are there. The second, for second counter to be red, its probability will remain the same as 1/5 and green as 4/5 first. So probability will remain the same because she puts it back after noting the color. We have completed it. Next is find the probability that the both are green. So probability of green and green. Look here. When you go along as x-axis in probability tree, you multiply all the probabilities coming in your way. So here we are giving here this way 4/5 and 4/5 and we multiply. So we get 4/5 multiplied by 4/5. So 4/5 multiplied by 4/5 is equal to 16/25. So the probability of finding both green counters is 16/25, and that's the answer. Next is question number 20. A scattered diagram is shown, and this is the price per liter and the number of liters sold on a fuel station. So there are two more days. The data is one. If the rate is $1.6, the number of liters sold is 90. So 1.68 is here and 90 is here. So I put here. Mark this point as, and then 1.47 is here and 380 is here. So this point is the show the this day which price is 1.47 and the sale is 380. So just draw these points. Then I draw the line with the maximum possible points are the just between, so that the minimum, the line is in between the points. So because they look here, this point is also here, this point is here, all the points 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 points are just close to this line. This is the most suitable fit line. I draw it here. And also the correlation is, because the line is tilted towards the negative x-axis, so it has a negative gradient. The actual gradient means there is a negative correlation between the entities, so the correlation is negative. So on the scatter diagram, one day the price petrol was 1.55. So from the best fit line, you estimate the number of lines. Look here, it is very easy question. 1.55 is here. From 1.55, I draw a line which cuts the x-axis, the best fit line, and corresponding to this line, I noted the number of points this on the y-axis, and this is 270 something or 275. So I could write 270, 272, 273, 275, whatever you write is correct. So I write it 270 liters. That's it. Next is points A, B, C are in the circle and O is the center. When O is center, any line which goes from the center is the diameter, and diameter or semicircle makes an angle of 90 degree on the circumference. So this angle is 90 degree. Okay, I can write it, angle ABC is 90 degree because it is a semicircle. Now we have to find the angle BCA. So angle BCA should be equal to, because this is right angle triangle, sum of these two angles should be equal to 90. So 90 minus 39 should be equal to BCA. So BCA is equal to 90 minus 39. 90 minus 39 is 51. So answer is 51 degrees. That's it. Next is A is equal to 2 cube minus multiplied with 3. B is equal to 3 square multiplied with 5. Find the highest common factor HCF. HCF means the number common to both. Common to both is only 3, because 3 is there, but it is 3 square. So minimum power will be common. 3 is common. 3 power 1 is common. So 3 is the HCF. Next is find the LCM. LCM means the product of common factors and uncommon factors. 2 power 3 and 1 3 from here, and 5 are non-common, and 3 is common, so we get 2 power 3 into 3 square into 5, the union of all the factors. Okay, so we multiply them to get 360. So 360 is the LCM. Next is question number 23. These are the triangles given here. A, B and T are the triangle. Question is, first is, so question is, on the grid draw the image of T after 90 degree clockwise rotation center O. The method is, we join all the corners of this triangle T to the triangle 90 origin, and then make a 90 degree from on this each line, and then the distance from the image to center of rotation and from the object to center of rotation will be equal. This is one box, so this is one box here. Now this is very easy. This is 2 boxes, so 2 boxes here, and this is from here is 3 boxes, so 3 boxes here. So T dash, this is the image of the T. That's it. Next is describe the single transition that maps T onto A. A is also given here. Look here. This image of this vertex is this point. This is 1 comma 3, and this is minus 5 comma minus 1. So subtract this from this. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 1 3. When you subtract it, you get minus 6 4. Similarly, if you subtract this is minus 5 minus 3, and this is 1 1. This is the image, this point is the image of this point. So subtract object from image. Minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 1 will give you again minus 6 minus 4. It is a translation vector. So this means this t has been translated to a by a vector of minus 6. Translation vector of minus 6 4. Though the translation is the transformation is a translation represented by a column vector of minus 6 minus 4. That's it. Next is describe single transformation that maps T onto B. It is very obvious that this side is 2 units and this side is 1 2 3 4 units. This side is 3 units and this side is 1 2 3 4 5 6 units. So each side has been enlarged by 2. This is enlargement with scale factor of 2. Now how to find center of enlargement? Join the object to image. Now this is the object and this is image. This is object, this is image. This is object, this is image. And produce these lines, the point where they meet. If you produce towards the image and then they meet, then the scale factor is negative. If you produce towards object and then they meet, the scale factor is positive. If you produce this line and this line, they will meet at the point of 0 comma minus 2. So 0 also this, if you produce this line, this is also meet here. So the 0 comma minus 2 is the center of enlargement, and because they are produced toward the towards the object, so the scale factor is positive. Okay, so the single transformation that maps T onto B is a enlargement scale factor 2 and center 0 comma minus 2. If you write this, you get the full marks. That's it. Next question is 24. A mixed fraction, two mixed fractions are given, we have to solve them. We convert them to the improper fraction. 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so it becomes 4 over 3, and this is 4 1 is 4, 4 and plus 3 is 7, becomes 7 over 4. To make the denominator equal, you multiply 7 over 4 by 3 over 3 and multiply 4 over 3 by 4 over 4. Then this will become 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, so becomes 16 over 12. This becomes 7 3 is 21, 4 3 is 12, so becomes 21 over 12. When you add them, so 21 plus 16 is 37, you get 37 over 12. You have to give answer in this mixed fraction. So again, put the numerator inside and denominator outside and divide them. 12 3s are 36. 37 minus 36 is 1. So answer is 3 whole 1 over 12. So 3 whole 1 over 12 is the answer. Next question is, next part is, write 32500 in standard form. Standard form means you have to put decimal point after the 1 digit. So decimal point should be after 3. So it is already here at the end. So we have to move the decimal points through how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. It means you have to move the decimal point 4 digits towards the left. So you put multiply 10 power plus 4. If you have to move towards the right, then 10 power minus. This is 4 digits pass towards the right. So left, so you put multiply 10 power 4, so answer will be 3.25 into 10 power 4. That's the answer. Next is convert it into ordinary number. That is one other way around. 10 power minus 3, in order to 10 power minus 3, you have to move this decimal points 3 digits towards the left. So 3 digits mean put 5 is 1 here, 1 digit here, 2 more digits. So you can put 2 zeros here and then put the decimal point. So answer will be 0.0056. So 0.0056 is the equivalent to 5.6 into 10 power minus 3. That's it. That's the answer. And that completes our paper for today. Inshallah. And the next question is, solve the simultaneous equations. First equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 5, and next is 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. To make x equal to multiply first equation by 3 and second is minus 2, so this will become 3 to the 6 6x, 3 5s are 15, 15y, 3 5s are 50 is equal to 50. So first equation become 6x plus 15y is equal to 15, and second equation become minus 6x minus 8y is equal to minus 22. Add them, plus 6x minus 6 is cancelled, so we get 15 minus 8 is 7. 7y is equal to 15 minus 22 is minus 7. Shift this 7 to the right hand side, become minus 7 over 7. Minus 7 over 7 is minus 1, so y is equal to minus 1. In order to get x, put this value of y is equal to minus 1 in any of the equation. They put in the first equation, so 2x plus 5 into y की जगह क्या आएगा, y is minus 1, so we get 5 into minus 1 is equal to 5. Simplified, 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5 is equal to 5 हो जाएगा जी. If you shift minus 5 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 5. You get 2x plus is equal to 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. In order to find x, divide by 2, so it will become 2x over 2 is x, and 10 over 2 is 5, so x is equal to 5 is the answer. So 2x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 1 is the answer, or the final answer of the question. And this completes the question paper 1 period 1 of the May-June 2025 IGCSE 0580. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification of my coming videos. Inshallah, we will meet very shortly, and I will give you the solution of the more past papers. So stay tuned to Believe Physics. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Good night.